Hi everybody. Today we're going to look at Unit 12 in our English in Action 2 textbook. Could you please turn to page 207? And let's look at the title at the top here. It is Goals and Plans. All right, goals are things that you want to do in the future. For example, I've gained a little weight. I would like to lose weight over the next few months. Okay. Plans are more specific. What are you going to do tonight? For example, what are your plans for tonight? Look down here, we have the caption, which explains what is happening in the picture. Let's read it together. Artist Stephen Wiltshire draws a cityscape of New York City. Look at there, he's got his pencil and he is drawing a very detailed picture here of New York City. Wow, very talented. All right, let's look on the next page at the vocabulary here in this unit, page 208, and we are going to be talking about future goals. Let's look at the pronunciation here at the top in the box. Become citizens. Let's go over pronunciation first, and then I'll go over the definitions in a minute here. Get in shape. Get my driver's license. Have a garage sale. Look for a better job. Paint my house. Plant a garden. Remodel my kitchen. Sponsor a relative. And as usual, you guys, you can always pause the video and practice your pronunciation. It's a really good idea to get used to speaking in English. So if you can pause the video, that will help you with your pronunciation. All right, so let's do exercise B together. Let's look at the instructions, always very important. Write the correct goal under each picture. All right, so the first one is done for you. Here's the example. Remodel my kitchen. Okay, my kitchen is very old looking. I want it to look new and clean and beautiful, so I want to remodel my kitchen, get a new kitchen basically. Number 2, look at these old things from your house. This one is have a garage sale. So you can write that down, have a garage sale. Often it is in your garage or on your driveway, and you invite your friends and your neighbors, oh, please come and buy these used things that we don't want anymore. So that's a garage sale when you're selling your used furniture, for example, that you don't want anymore. Number 3 is to paint my house. Maybe your house looks old and you want to paint it. Next one, number 4, is get in shape. I want to lose weight. I'm a little overweight. I want to become healthier and thinner, so I want to get in shape. Number 5, plant a garden. I want to have fresh vegetables, so I'm planting tomatoes, for example. This man is planting tomatoes. You might plant flowers in your garden as well. Number 6, sponsor a relative. I have a relative or a family member in another country and they want to come here to live too. So I might help pay for them to come and they can come and live with me. So sponsor a relative. Number 7, become citizens of the United States. Become citizens. That one is here at the top if you want to pause and write that down. Number 8 is to look for a better job. I have a job now, but I want to look for a better job. Okay, and number 9 is to get my driver's license. You see, guys, the apostrophe S, get my driver's license, we say. Okay, let's look at the next page. This is going to be part of your coursework for today. We have some word partnerships. So again, words, one word and one word that go together. They are partners. Learn how to. We can use this phrase for many different words. For example, I want to learn how to dance. I want to learn how to play the piano. I want to learn how to drive. Okay, exercise A will be in your coursework for today. You will have to complete the goals with the correct verb using these verbs here. So for example, a garage sale, you can say have. Okay, a flower garden, we can say plant is the usual verb. Plant a flower garden. Okay, exercise B will be for your coursework as well. Let's look on the next page here. We have the grammar with going to and will. Okay, talking about the future. We're also going to use the be verb when we're using the going to verb for the future tense. Okay, so we have the subject as usual. I am. He or she is. You, we, they, are. And then we're going to use going to. And then the main verb. Okay, so look for a new job, for example. I am going to look for a new job. He is going to buy a house. Notice here again, you guys, there's no S on the end, there's no ing, it's just the main verb. All right, and we use the future with be going to talk about plans or actions that are going to happen tomorrow, next week, or next year. All right, that's it for today. Thank you very much, you guys.